I may have broken this beyond repair now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm wearing my pyjamas. I'm not really, but this is meant to be a pyjama top. You know, I don't do mornings. I just think it looks kind of cute and I like blue on me, so I'm wearing my jammies while filming a video. So today's video is going to be my 5th and final video in my trying YouTube tutorial series, and today I'm going to be trying to copy Rclbeauty. Rachel, just the queen of YouTube in general. She's insane. I've watched her for so long and she does some kind of odd and wacky DIYs that I just wanted to try. So these are all weird back to school DIYs. She's done a few of these videos, so I've just taken some of the ones that I fancy doing. One of them including armbands or floaties, whatever you call them. So I'm really excited for that one, and we're just gonna see. We're gonna see how this goes, and hopefully it goes well. Let me know in the comments down below who the first person you ever subscribed to on YouTube was. I'm really interested to find out who it was and kind of when you subscribed. I'm pretty certain the first channel I ever subscribed to was the Shaytars, and I think it was in maybe like 2005, maybe? It was really early on, like way back when, and I think it was the Shaytars. Let me know down below in the comments who you first subscribed to, and we're gonna try to make some DIYs. Okay, so the first DIY I'm going to be attempting is a pillow notebook. So for this, she basically uses a notebook, some armbands, and some glue and scissors, and you're gonna stick the armband on there, and then when you're at school you can blow the armband up and sleep on it. I was really excited to try this, so I went ahead and ordered some armbands, which Nick was really confused about when they came in the post. He was like, why have you bought yourself armbands? But you know, also I couldn't find clear ones, so we've got some pink and blue ones with starfish and jellyfish on them, and hopefully this will work. So the first step is to cut this in half so that you've just got this little section that you can stick onto your notebook. So I've blown it up, as you can see, so that I can see where I'm allowed to cut. So I'm allowed to cut down here because obviously the air isn't going into there, and then I can cut along here. So we're gonna go for this. We're gonna just cut the armband into pieces. Next step is to glue it down. So I've got some glue here, and I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna let it dry, and then when it's dry in a little bit, I'll get back to you and get something heavy to weigh it down. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. All that glue smells really nice. That's not something I should be saying. I'm not too sure which the best glue is to use for this, but for now, I've gone with that glue. Okay, while that is drying, we're going to attempt to make the pencil lipstick. So I have this little lipstick, it's from Rclbeauty. It's gorgeous, but I did buy it just for this DIY. It's in the shade 360 As You Want Victoria. It's a beautiful deep pink colour. And then I bought these little coloured pencils from Tiger because they're a nice clear light brown colour, so they should be easy to paint over. And there's a pink one, so I can have a little pink pencil that matches the colour of the lipstick lid, which is cute. So first step is to break off the lipstick, which I feel very sad about. I'm sad. Bye, lipstick. Oh. I'm pretty sure I could save this and use this somehow. Then we're going to put the Q-tip into here and get all of this extra lipstick out. Look how much extra lipstick comes out of the lipstick container. To get a chopping board, and we're going to slice the pencil. See how easy this is to do. We're going to slice the pencil. Oh, that feels horrible. Oh, I don't like that at all. I'm going to get the scissors around there instead. Can I just snap this now? It snapped itself. We've got our diddy little pencil. The next step is to basically fill this with hot glue and stick our little pencil in. It actually looks really cute. Okay, I think the glue gun is ready. So we're just gonna completely fill this with glue, it seems. Glue, glue, glue. And then I'm just gonna grab our pencil and go, hoya, stay in there. I think that's it. I think we're done. Done-a! Okay, let that dry. The final step, which she said was optional, is to paint the pencil a colour of lipstick. So I've got some little pink here. Maybe I should have matched it to the colour of lipstick. That would have been a good idea, wouldn't it? Okay, how cute is this? It's a teeny little lipstick pencil. However, the test will be, can I actually write with it or does it snap off? So, testing time. I mean, the pencil's not the best. It is wibbling a little bit, but I do feel like I could have used a stronger glue in the base rather than hot glue. Hot glue isn't the strongest. However, that is pretty cute. You could definitely take one of those into school with you, and when the teacher goes, excuse me, no lipstick, go, excuse me, it's a pencil. Although don't talk back to teachers, that's not nice. Okay, and then on to the final DIY before we test out our amazing little notebook pillow. Shush, workman.
And bam, you have a flash drive eraser.
So for this DIY, you need a USB pen. This is pretty much the only one that they had in stock where I went. So I'm hoping when I unpackage this, it looks decent. This USB stick is one that you pop through like this. So the USB stick is actually quite small itself, but it's got a massive blue covering. So I'm gonna try and get that covering off, and if not, we can't go much further with this DIY. Oh, just do that. That was pretty simple, sorted. Now how do I get it out of this casing? We may be able to get in there. I think we get. What? There is actually nothing inside here. What? Okay, I may have broken this beyond repair now. So basically this is what the USB stick looks like. This pops off, and that is the only USB stick, which I'm sure I could possibly still put into the computer, but I can't really do the DIY because if you look at what she's working with, this doesn't really work. I'm just gonna put this to one side and we'll forget that that happened. Oops. Okay, are we ready to test out our notebook pillow? Welcome to my school notebook. It serves its purpose as a notebook, but when I get tired, I can go to sleep. So, all you have to do is blow it up. We're gonna see how this works. It's definitely stuck on nicely, so that's good. I'm just gonna blow it up. Uh-oh, oh no, it's ripping off. Oh no, okay, I blew it up too hard. Let's let some air out. Just let some air out, just some. There we go, okay. And now when you're in school, do you know what? It's pretty darn good. It's actually not bad. It's pretty darn good. I would have loved this in school. I mean, you do roll around a little bit, so it's not the most comfortable, but it's definitely more comfortable than this. This is, no. This is great. This is very nice. This is a great invention. Well done, Rachel. I may just carry this round just in my handbag just for, you know, I might be in a coffee shop and be like, I'm so tired, night. See you in the morning. Because that's great. That is great. I like that a lot. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If there are any other YouTube tutorials you would love to see me follow along with, let me know in the comments below. And for now, I will see you very, very soon. Bye.